Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll show you how to check active network connections in Windows. In the Search tab, search for the Control Panel and click on View Network Status and Tasks below the Network and Internet. This displays the current network the system is connected to. You can click on Connections to check the network status. Click on Details for more information about the network connection like IPv6 address, subnet mask, etc. Go to Settings and click on Network and Internet, select Ethernet, and then click on Network and Sharing Center. That would navigate to the same page where the current network is shown. In the search bar, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This would show all the connections, but we can identify the active connection using the green icon. Right-click on the active connection and click on the status to see the status page. In the search bar, type CMD, command prompt, and press Enter. Alternatively, press +R on the keyboard. In the open text box, type CMD and click on OK. We can now enter the netstat commands to look at all current active connections. Netstat A shows all the currently active connections, and the output display the protocol, source, and destination addresses, along with the port numbers and the state of the connection. Netstat B shows the executable involved in creating each connection or listening port. In such cases, open the command prompt and run it as administrator. Netstat N shows similar outputs with IP addresses rather than names of system or services. Netstat shows all the options available with the command. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.